Good morning children. Welcome back to our EVS class. In the last class we have completed block 6 LP1. Today we are going to continue LP2 body movements. The keywords are activity, body parts. Now before starting the lesson, today we are going to learn what are the activities we do and how our body parts help us to do the activities. What are the body parts we are going to use for each activity? Now what am I doing over here children? I am teaching you. Now what are the things I am using when I am teaching? I am using my eyes, I am using my mouth, my tongue to speak. Yes, these are my activities how I teach you. The same way running. Now what are the activities we are going to use for running? We are going to use legs, feet, knee, and we use eyes to see. Now clapping. What am I doing? I am clapping. With what I am clapping? I am clapping with my hands. Eating. With what do we eat? We eat with our hands. We eat with our mouth. If we have mouth and teeth, we chew. Yes? And we see what we eat. Then reading. What do? We use our hands to hold the book and we use our eyes to see. Jumping. We use our legs to jump and we use our eyes to see again. If we see only, we can jump. Without seeing also we can jump children. But eyes are also important. For each activity, eyes are very important for us. Now let us open our reader. Open your reader to page number 41, body parts and activities. We use different parts of our body to do different activities like running, playing, skipping and eating. We use our hands, mouth and eyes to eat food. Can you see the picture here children? What is the boy doing? He is eating a watermelon with his hands, with his mouth, and he is seeing what he is eating. Now open your workbook. Now open your workbook to page number 35. Put today's date. S2 body movements. Now we are going to read the table children. Complete the table. Picture A is already done for you. What is the girl doing? She is doing swimming. What are the body parts she is using? Hands, legs, eyes. Now picture B. What is the boy doing here? He is cycling. So write there CYCLING, cycling. What are the body parts he is using? Hands, comma, legs, comma, eyes. Full stop. Now picture C. What is the girl doing? She is listening to music and dancing. So what are we going to write? Dancing. 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 What are the body parts? Hands, legs, eyes, ears. Now picture D. What is the boy doing? He is skipping. So what are we going to write? SKIPPING. Skipping. What are the body parts he is using? Eyes, EYES, hands, legs. Full stop. Now bit number 2. Complete the sentence. If I did not have a hand, I would not be able to. If we don't have hands, what we won't be able to do children? To do the work. Full stop. If I did not have a dash, I would not be able to dash. So what will we write over here? Which body part we will write? Shall we write over here? If I did not have a leg, I would not be able to walk or jump. Yes? Now with this we have done with our S2. Open your classwork book. Now children, we have completed the keywords. Now turn to the new page. Take out your readers. Write here meanings, MEANINGS, meanings. Leave one line. Number 1, external, 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 outside. Leave one line. Number 2, sibling, SIBLING, own, brother or sister, full stop. Leave a line. Number 3, similar, being, almost, the same as, something else. Now with this we have done with our classwork. Complete your workbook and classwork and send it in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.